Are your photos on iPhone taking up too much space? Today I'm going to show you how to reduce the size of your photos so they take up less space without losing quality. Watch till the end and I'll tell you how to speed up the process with the help of a handy app. And firstly, what I want you to do is I want you to find an open app store, click on the search bar, and here input app which is named Photo Compress. Let's just enter it, tap on search, and this is the app we are gonna need. So just install it on your device, then open, allow some permissions of course, tap accept and continue, and then you should see this screen. So you can tap here to select photos which you would like to compress. Let's click on the plus, click allow full access, and find a photo which we would like to compress. For example, let it be this one. So I'm gonna click it and click add. Now, as you can see, recommended size is 50% and image quality also 50%, but you can adjust it and make it 30% or 70% and so on. And also you can adjust image size. But again, the recommended option is 50% for both. Now you're gonna click continue, and this photo compressed successfully. You can right away choose to delete originals or click finish, and now both your photos will be saved to the gallery. I selected this option to show you the difference in size, but you can select to delete the original if you want to free up some storage space. So go into your Photos app and find this compressed photo in the recently saved items. I'm gonna choose it, swipe it up, and as you can see, its size is 0.5 MB. Now let me show you the original size. So I'm just gonna find this photo, which were in my favorites, swipe it up, and the original size of that photo was 2 MB. So that's it. You can repeat this process with other photos and quickly maximize free space on your device. So that's all. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.